Do you wake up in the morning?
Let's learn easy English at home. Early morning.
Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning, Mom.
Wake up, sweetie.
I'm awake. Good morning.
Good morning, my love. Wash your face, sweetie.
I wash my face.
That's right, good girl.
All clean.
A good child is a happy child.
Yes, I'm happy, Mommy. I'm so proud of you.
Brush your teeth, sweetie.
I brush my teeth.
Time to get ready, sweetie.
Okay, I'm getting ready. Look, I'm ready.
Good job. Are you happy?
I am happy.
Now you say, wake up. Wash my face. Brush my teeth. Good job. Today we learn wake up, wash, brush. Good morning.
See you in the next lesson.
See you.